Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So in this video today we'll see how you can go live from your YouTube channel. So as a trainer or tutor you must require to go live sometimes when the demand is high. Yeah, hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can go live using no additional tool. Okay, so only the YouTube thing I will be using. So I will have to log in here with my credential. Of course, we'll have then the go live button here. Then you can see the lots of options are here. So if you don't want the previous one, you can delete that one. So whichever option you have to go to stream. Stream means it will give you the option, the third party API to connect. And with the webcam you can go without using any third party tool. Okay, so I am going to use this webcam method. Okay, so title I am going to add how to go live using YouTube channel. Okay, so if I click next, got it. So all the required option will have to pass that. The balance is fine. You can adjust in case you want that into slow mode. No, I don't. Yes, in case you want to make it public initially, you can go for that. So a bit of moment will take here in creating your stream. You can see here again, and it will be asking you to upload the thumbnail. Okay, so thumbnail you can create. Suppose I have to go for this one, the Trema theme. In this video, we'll be discussing around this. So let's say the screen I want to use this. Correct. So this screen I am going to use here as a thumbnail. So first I will have to save this. Download. Yes. Save. Now I have to browse here. So retake thumbnail, upload thumbnail options are there. Okay. So this is the date of today, and of course you will have the option here to edit. Again, in case you want to modify something. No, I don't want to edit. So So these are the setting. Now the moment you click on this, in case you have to share it with your friends and family or your followers, you can copy the link of this live streaming and you can share in prior if required. Otherwise you can simply go live. Got it? So camera as of now I have disabled, that is why image is not coming, otherwise it will come. So go live. So I am not going to use the cam here, I will be using the screen sharing method for that. Okay, so it is saying me you are live now. Yeah, and here I am going to, so this option you see here, the share screen. So I am going to use this. Yeah, so now you can see I am live. Okay, so hello guys. So in this video today we'll see how you can use this Trema theme in your LMS. Okay, so first thing you'll have to download this one. Okay, so before moving ahead you'll have to match the requirement around your Moodle version. So currently I have this LMS in Moodle 4.5. Okay, so I have to make sure first my version. Yeah, if I check the environment, it's a Moodle 4.5. Got it? So yes, it is supporting. And before downloading the, you'll have to come here under version and you can download this. So ideally